now from semantic tagging going down to adding a database triplet to an individual video frame. So indexing an individual video frame so we can run an application.
So this is an example in London, if I'm recognizing it right?
That's right. This camera right here, this is a special multiband infrared camera from a company called Vehicle Occupancy. And this camera gives us the ability to actually see into cars so you can see how many people are in the car. So in this case, let me go ahead and just play this at a stop frame rate. We can measure the number of people that are in a given car. Using machine vision, we can read the license plate. We can correlate that information to whether or not they have a transponder, and then we can decide whether we want to charge them a toll. And we can do that on a frame-by-frame basis. So we're down to actually tagging individual frames of video. This is the kind of applications that when you tie them together, for example, with traffic sensors. So here's London, they've got the Olympics coming up.
And we're the proud infrastructure provider.
That's right. As a matter of fact, we provide a lot of that video capability and infrastructure. They've got video cameras, traffic sensors, they're looking at license plate, they're reading. This is the kind of big data problem we've been hearing about at the conference this week, that only Cisco's UCS technology, eliminating those bottlenecks of memory and bandwidth that really are needed to apply to this kind of application.
And that's what Larry talked a little bit on Sunday night too, in terms of big data.
So
what you're really saying, Jim, is that it's an architectural play where you tie together the pieces. This is a smart connected community. You just used the example of safety and security and traffic flow.
That's right.
The same thing can apply to education or other things.
Now, John, we've brought with us an architectural diagram just to show the complexity here of being able to pull these all together, because it's not just the high performance, but you need to be able to do that with the security and the mobility and the video capabilities that we can bring all together through Cisco technology.
Jim, well done. I got it. Thank you very much. And everything worked, which is very important.
Great. Thank you, John.